hazardous weather and emergency situations.
The alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the areas of Central and Wednesday, the alert tone not as cool. Friday at 4.6 miles an hour. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
I hate you guys. Even on the last day, I hate you guys.